Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. When replacing the spool on your string trimmer, we recommend performing the procedure with little or no fuel in the tank. Depress the two retaining tabs to release the lower trimmer head housing. Lift the old spool out of the housing and detach the bump knob. If still in place, remove the trimmer line from the old spool. Prepare the new spool for installation by transferring the cover from the old spool to the new one. Position the bump knob on the bottom of the new spool. Position the spool and knob in the lower housing. Realign the lower housing assembly on the upper head housing and spring, then snap it into place. To install the trimmer line, first align the bump knob arrows with the lower housing eyelets. Feed the trimmer line through one eyelet and out the other until an equal amount of line is on both sides. Now align the crank handle on the bump knob and rotate the handle clockwise while holding the trimmer head to wind the line around the spool. Keep winding until the line is within the guard assembly, and your string trimmer should be ready for use.